Hi, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Welcome back to my channel.
Hi everyone, it's Paula from Paula Quilting. Here is a very special moment for me because I would like to announce that I have finished my first ever book featuring magic numbers. I have been showing you a lot of videos using magic numbers method because I find it so easy and so straightforward, and all the scraps go into that process. So I have created a book with 30 different designs, very easy, very straightforward, but you can build on top of it, obviously, using other techniques. This book can be used by anyone with any level of the skills, both beginners and hopefully advanced sewers or quilters will find it useful. The book includes introductions to the magic numbers, tips on how to organize your scraps to streamline your work, ideas how to maintain your stash at manageable level, taking chain piecing techniques to the next level to make the most out of it, clear instructions for creating those 30 blocks, notes and color your block sections to help you plan your color placement if that's what you want to go for. And at the end you have a number of graph paper pages to plan your project. So as you can see, this is not just a pattern book, it's your workbook as well. So you can use it to pick out all of those scraps and make sure you're using them and they are not hiding somewhere in the bins under the desk and in the cupboards, in the corners, somewhere where you don't even know what you have. And I'm sure you've got lots of gems in there. Additionally, book is coming with a playlist where I've put tutorials about organizing scraps, how the magic numbers method works, and also a video for each block I have created. That video will include the sewing instructions, but also some suggestions how those blocks can look when you put them together. Book is available on Amazon, so pretty much you can buy it anywhere in the world. On my website I have put links for the UK and USA Amazon marketplace, but if you are anywhere else in the world, just type the title and you should be able to find it as well. If you have any problems, just give me a shout by leaving the comment or emailing me. I am very excited about it. I still cannot believe I actually managed to finish this book. It took me a while, but I hope you will enjoy it as much as I enjoyed writing it. I would like to say big thank you to Anna from Uniquely Crafted, who was editing this book for me to make sure that what I've put there makes sense. I hope you will decide to buy my book, and if you decide to buy this book, please leave the information in the comments, say hello, say what you think about it. Thanks again for watching and see you next time.